Welcome back, everybody. This is the Builder Lab. I'm going to be doing a review on the Creality CFS upgrade. So I've been using it for a couple weeks now, and think I sort of understand how to use it. It's pretty straightforward. I haven't really done much multi-material, just multicolor really. So yeah, I'm going to show you some of the prints that I made and comparison between how much filament poop it used compared to the item. So we'll get into that. So I printed out some parts to show off how much waste was accumulated with each print. So I did a varying size. So the Orca was 47 grams. This is 47 grams. And the waste turned out to be 98 grams. The axolotl was 10 grams, and the waste turned out to be 42 grams. And the cube was 4 grams, and the waste was 78 grams. So these are the pellets from the Orca. These are from the axolotl. And these ones are from the cube. So almost the same as the Orca for a 4-gram part. And I mean, it's just all the layer changes and color changes, so it's kind of to be expected. I mean, we all knew that multicolor systems had quite a bit of waste. Does it really justify the prettiness? I mean, it's quite a bit of waste. I do like the ease of use and getting the kit installed, and the slicer was super easy to get set up. I've just been using Creality Print. Pretty sure that's the only one that supports the CFS right now. But I mean, the results are good. So I'm pretty happy with the results. My overall experience with the CFS has been positive. The speed of the changes is 2 minutes and 45 seconds, which is super slow. Makes the print time quite a bit longer. For example, this 22-minute benchy, which is single material, is now 6 hours with multicolor, which is definitely one of the biggest downsides to me. It takes way too long to do anything. One thing I did do to make it easier is I bought some RFID tags off Amazon, and I set them to be the same color as the filament. So now all I gotta do is throw it in and it automatically knows what color we got in there. It's not too bad to use with the painting feature, but it is a little glitchy. I tend to use prints that just have been made to be multicolor. So this has been my review of the Creality CFS. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.
Even when I'm breaking inside, even when I need you, it gets hard to love the things you left behind. But baby, we can do whatever we like. We don't even have to try for this. We got time for this. And baby, no, even if you just let go, we would never have to lie for this. We got time for this.